Tired of your phone's storage constantly yelling at you? Let's fix that by learning how to seamlessly upload files to Google Drive from your mobile device. First, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed on your phone. If you don't, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Now, look for the plus button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it. This is your gateway to uploading. A menu will pop up with several options. Select Upload. This will open your phone's file manager. Browse through your files to find the document, photo, video, or any other file you want to upload. Tap on the file to select it. You can select multiple files if you want to upload a batch. Once you've selected your file or files, Google Drive will begin the upload process automatically. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Want to organize your files? Tap the three dots next to the uploaded file name. A menu will appear. Choose the Move option. This lets you select a specific folder within your Google Drive to place the file. For those mindful of data usage, navigate to the app's settings. Here, you can find options to restrict uploads to Wi-Fi only, preventing accidental data overages. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files to Google Drive from your mobile device. Now your files are safely stored in the cloud, accessible from anywhere. Share this video with your friends and family.